Sir and Rajiv. I am going to mentoring you for the digital marketing. Okay, so everyone has a idea or a bit aware about this. So, what you have understanding for the digital marketing? Currently, more than 19 attendees, and I am expecting response from everyone. So, just type in the chat box what you understand by digital marketing. It is not important you write a paragraph on it, okay? Promotion of the brand. Yes, Dhanush. And one thing I want before proceeding, everyone just tell from where you are and what are you doing. Like I am Vishwanath, my name is visible in the screen. Need not to write your name. Simply like I'm from Allahabad and I have completed my MBA from there or currently I am working there. Okay. Rahman, you added a word social media platform. We are not limited up to social media. Okay. Marketing using digital tool. No, digital platform. Prithviraj. Abdul Rahman, it is not about only selling. Digital marketing, it is not a dedicated to sell the product or services. Thank you, Rebecca. Thank you, Rahman. Amu, I'm not aware about Amu. Okay, that's great, Mishra. Dhanush from Bangalore. Just too fast, everyone. Amethi Shandeep. You are my neighbor. I'm from Kunda. Oh, Rahman, great. AMU. But there's a lot of course in AMU. You can simply write down BA, MBA, MSc, PSc, whatever. Ghosh from the West Bengal, Bihar. That's why Sandeep I told you that. Yeah, I'm neighbor in term of district. Thank you, Rana. Thank you, Rahman. Thank you, Deshmukh. Okay, so I just consider that you guys are a bit aware about digital marketing. First of all, marketing is all about creating, communicating, and delivering. Those who are pursuing or have completed their MBA, simply they are well aware about the term marketing, where you create something, communicate to your audience, and deliver. But this definition is for those who have his stable shop or running in offline mode. But when you start doing these things from digital space or digital platform, okay, digital platform, those who have a bit confusion that digital marketing is about selling, no. If you are doing something and you really want that people know about, people simply aware about your product or services. But after awareing, you want that people used to come at your place through physical visit or the online visit. It is clear, everyone? There is a
Yes,
okay. There is a big difference between marketing and digital marketing, and what is going to create this difference only digital and physical. Okay, remains theories is still used in a marketing, is still used in a practice of digital marketing. Okay, so how many of you think that digital marketing is nothing but a social media marketing? Means as I speak so digital marketing, you simply think or your mind strike this social media marketing. How many of you just think that? Be honest, everyone. As I speak digital marketing, in your mind somewhere is strike that it's a social media marketing or the social media platform. Rebecca, Dhanush. Oh, Rituja, great.
Uh, Sir, I believe obviously there is a weightage of social media when it comes to digital marketing, but there's more to it also other than social media.
Yeah, and there's a lot to say here because still digital marketing is very diversified. But I am requesting you, we will come. I just told you we will discuss or communicate through the chat box. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So as I have decided that we will start with the introduction of the social media marketing. But if you we are going to proceed, what is the digital marketing? As I used to, it is my personal practice. If you are going to pay to a expert digital marketer or any agency, they simply recommend you first go for the blog, simply buy a domain, host somewhere. Okay, the day you have set it up, your domain and hosting your domain, now we will start the journey of digital marketing. But it is my personal thinking and personal experience that I have some free tools that we can learn from the different platforms. But social media marketing, social media marketing actually need not to have a domain and you need to have a blog. If you have a blog or the website, you can get the traffic. But if you have a shop, if you have a service, then need not to have a website. You can promote your services. So before proceeding for the complete digital marketing, I think you guys must aware what actually social media marketing. Digital marketing is very vast where we can understand what is the social media marketing, what is the inbound marketing, outbound marketing, along with the Google ads, how and Google services. There's a too many platforms and how we can go for the display ad which are visible on the Google partner site and Google sites along with the YouTube. Okay, so today's topic is introduction of the social media marketing and reason why we are starting. Because if you have your website, then it's a good thing. You can generate traffic from there. But if you have a shop, if you have a services, and if you want to promote or sell through the social media marketing, there is no issue. After this session in the next week, we will go for the how to set up a Facebook page and how to start generating or creating a community without paid and with paid and without paid. Okay. PPT is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think most of you aware with the Geo. How many of you aware with Geo? Please type yes. What is the beauty of Geo? Anyone know? I don't know you guys are aware or not. As of my memory or my memory serving me right, in September 2016, Geo is launched for the 6 month offer, free offer, then after 6 more months. And the resolution, the revolution that exists in the India, it's all happened after 2016. And I am the person who belong that community who has faced two things. I am the person who has survived with the 1 GB for the whole month and from the 1.5 GB per day user, even more. So, Facebook, WhatsApp is okay. But what about the YouTube? YouTube, everyone, every day, spends some time on the social media. But the growth YouTube achieved after Geo, no one can even imagine. You guys can search this data on the statista.com. How many of you believe that this digital revolution come after Geo introduction in the Indian market? How many of you? Guys, please type. Simply, this is a Sunday. Hope you guys have enjoyed a lot. I am going to intervene in your free time for an hour, not more than that. Only two people believe. That's great. Okay. Even some international CEOs, especially Netflix CEO, just discussed and tweet about that कि America must introduce the plan like India has. Like India has means Geo has introduced. Means that most data you have capability to spend. But these data, where you spend for what purpose? You will spend these data for surfing on the internet. Okay. So now I am going to start this PPT, and after every PPT, I will, if you have any confusion, I will just come or interact with you. There is a lot of social media channel, okay, social media platform. If you will Google, okay, you will just came across there is too many, and most of them you are not aware. Okay, depend upon how popular they are country wise. But if you are somewhere and simply anyone asks you what is social media, simply Facebook, Instagram. If you are a bit aware, then move to Snapchat. Okay, even WhatsApp business and WhatsApp are the part of the social media marketing. Along with it, YouTube also considered as a best content social media marketing platform.
Sorry,
Okay,
sorry. Your voice is breaking, sir.
is it clear? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the data for the February 2021. This data is available on the statista.com. Okay. WhatsApp have 530 million. YouTube have 448. Facebook has 410. Instagram 210 and Twitter 17.5. Okay. WhatsApp is one to one and one to many. If you have a group, then one to many. If you are interacting with a person, one to one. Okay. This is personalized, so no issues. And most probably people recommend WhatsApp have as a common platform. Okay. Then after we come to the YouTube and this growth, if you guys go to the Statista and compare the data today and 2016, you will get the huge difference in between. Okay, these two platforms are dominating in the market. Everyone every day spend time on YouTube by watching and on the Facebook and Instagram. These three platforms are common, and if you are the popular or you believe in the micro blogging, okay, then you have an account and keep it interacting with the prominent people like Elon Musk, Biden, PM Modi. Too many people interact through or opinion based platform actually, and Twitter is considerably called micro blogging. Okay, one question: what does it mean this growth? How this growth is happening on the social media platform? If there is not a plan like Geo, these traffic is possible, or these kind of account creation or these kind of active user is possible or not. If in the current market the plan like Geo has been snatched or get back, such kind of growth we can achieve or not, or in the pandemic scenario we are able to survive or not. Like the in the first lockdown, 3 month complete lockdown, if there is not a plan like Geo, we were able to work from home or not. People like me who stay in a rural area where there is no broadband, no landline, can I survive?
No, sir.
Okay, I am requesting everyone at least reply on the chat box. I'm requesting everyone. So always understand one thing. Only one thing that is aligned can bring a lot of change. Such kind of internet interaction with this generation only possible through the Geo plan. Okay. Are you guys aware with that every day globally people how much time spend on social media marketing, social media platform? Every day people like you and me average spend time on the social media platform. I don't know you will believe or not, but in the next session I will let you know with that more than 2 hour, and exactly it is 2 hour 24 minute every day we spend on social media platform. Okay. So if we are expending more than 2 hour every day on social media platform, so they want to get the benefited. Okay, they want that. If people is spending more than 2 hour on the platform, then how we can influence them? So why social media marketing is important? First thing, because the user, huge user over there, for 530 on the WhatsApp, okay, 448 on the YouTube, and 410 million, and all the numbers are in a million. Okay. Then we come to why social media marketing is important. We can start from the niche by the niche targeting. Targeting. Do you guys understand by niche targeting, or what you understand by niche marketing? Yeah, or targeting. Please type everyone on chat box. Niche targeting or niche marketing. What you understand? Anyone? In very simple word, if you are going to start selling candies, okay, and you don't have investor, so you will start from your local community. That's called the niche marketing. Like if you are a businessman in a Allahabad, okay, and you are a businessman, so you will dominate Allahabad, you will start your business in Allahabad. So Allahabad is your niche targeting or niche marketing, and after getting the response from the Allahabad, you will start expanding, but not on the same day you will. But if you belongs to Ambani family, like Geo was a new startup, was a new initiative in the telecommunication, and what they did on the same day, they launched Geo across India. It is or not? So depend upon how much you are ready to invest, or you have invested or not. It is clear or not? Okay, that's great. Social media marketing, best thing I told you, targeting and measuring. How you can start, like if you want that you are living in Allahabad and you want that your ad must be visible in only civil line, you can target through the map, or you can target through the pin code. You will get some data from there. I will show you in the next session how you will get the insight from there, and these insight help you whom you have to target. You have to target male, female, both. You have to target belong to which demography, from age 15 to 20, 20 to 25, or the 15 to 60, or the 65. Okay, one to one and one to many. When someone message you or you message someone, that's called one to one. But when you have created a community where people answer your question, that's called one to many, or communication, or the communication through the community. How many of you understand the value of community on the digital platform? They help to resolve too many problems. Even every big organization like Google, LinkedIn, everyone has created its own community to resolve the problems of their audience customers. If you have any question, you simply ask on the community. People will answer your question. They will help to sort it out as soon as possible. You guys understand the value of community on digital platform, any digital platform, or the community on the internet. Okay, when someone message you personally, then one to one. But when you have a problem like you are facing some issue on the Excel, you are not able to drag or drop 10,000 line in a single click. What you will do, simply you can put a question, you will go for the Google first. If your question is not enlisted in the Google, what will you do? You will go to the Microsoft Excel community, you will put your question and keep watching how many people answering the question. Even you have an option to paste the photo or a screenshot of your problem. Okay, so the best thing of the social media marketing, you can niche targeting options, measurable through the insight that Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, everyone provide you. Even you get one thing that where you can communicate or interact with your customer one to one and one to many. Okay. Any doubt in this PPT?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Key business objective. Okay. Always keep in mind anything that exists in the environment has its objective. Like, what is the objective of us as a human being? Anyone? What is the ultimate objective of the human being? What is the objective of a hotel? What is the objective of an institute? Everyone live a life with an objective. Okay? Very good, Das. Survive to death, survive to disease, or survive to be die. Survive to live a good life and healthy life. Everyone has an objective, and if you will talk either poor, rich, or middle class, everyone want to survive and know that. But a healthy, wealthy life, everyone expect. I hope I am right. If I am not right, this is right for me. Okay. So, how many of you believe that Facebook never charge a single rupee or single bucks from you? Even a $1 billion company. Why and how? How it's all happen? Anyone? Please be fast. Okay. As fast you will reply, as soon I will finish. Facebook, Google ever charged a single bucks to create a? What they will do with your data? Even they are facing some case of data breaching. Rahman, there is also a threat. If you have a data, if your data is breached by anyone, you will be responsible. Like if I am collected your mail ID, mobile number and name and someone hacked my system, this is my responsibility and I am the answerable to you in front of the legal. Traffic means we created an account and they are start earning. How it is possible? Yes, Mishra, this is ad. Actually, there is too many tools, paid tools also. Okay, so everyone, even Google earning through its services and ads. In the same way, Facebook and Instagram main source of earnings are ads. Actually, they help the marketing. Ultimate goal of the marketing nothing but the creating something, communicating to the community or the large audience and delivering. Okay, and how you can do means simply create a platform, create a community. Like if you have a 1.5 million follower on Instagram, okay, you can monetize. Means you will charge, like you take to the Vishwanath Tripathi, give me the 100 rupees, I will put a post and 1.5 million people simply see. In the same way, Facebook works. It is. So key objective of the social media marketing, brand awareness. If you have a brand or you are selling anything, if you have a website, you can get the direct traffic, but it will come under the direct traffic. If you have a Google Analytics, and if you are getting the traffic from the social media ad, it will be visible under the direct traffic. Lead generation, listening and monitoring is okay, means I complained or I give a 5 rating, okay, they are listening. If I am giving positive, okay, if I am exaggerating this product is best, this is good for them for the resell or increase the sale, but they monitor the negative rating where they work too much. Okay, so listening and monitoring, this actually help to grow more in any organization virtually, because if you buy anything, if you are going to buy anything from the Amazon or Instagram, first you go for the review where you listen. Okay, but when you have any complaint, if you just review 0.25, and what are the reason, you get answer of your question from the legal source, not legal but authentic source. Okay, how many of you well aware about lead generation? What is the lead? You guys are aware with the lead generation, or what
Yes, sir.
actually lead is? Simply what you understand by the lead, simply type on the chat box. Getting client? No. Yes, Sagar. Interested client. Yes, very good. Getting prospect and active customer. Thus, getting prospect is a good thing, but active customer, I'm not sure about it. Effort to promote anything? No. Actually, how you generate a lead? Like, you students ever face one thing, like you want a PDF of a book. Simply, when you are about to download, there is a pop-up in your screen. Simply write your name, mobile number, and mail ID and download it for free. How many of you face this in your life span of too many platform, Rahman? How many of you ever face this? By giving phone, mobile number, phone number, mail ID, you get something in return. When you type your mobile number, mail ID, or anything, or you sign up or sign up at any platform, simply you become lead for them, means you are interested in their product or services, and that data help them to target you. Like, I simply type, like I go to Byju's, and there type class C classes, class 6 C, whatever I type regarding the education. Okay, I simply leave that my mobile number and mail ID. I will get call from them at any point of time as soon as possible. Start getting offers, newsletters on the mail ID, means somewhere I am interested the product of the Byju's. So the lead they have generated, they want to convert and close the lead. And how they will close the lead? The day I start paying them, or simply I buy a product. Okay, so there is a lead generation come under the some process where you pre-approach, approach, prospect. Okay, and or if there any objection, you clear out and close your lead, and get the feedback, and services and maintenance you keep giving them. It is clear? Okay, if simply I say social media channels, no doubt everyone is well aware with the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and Snapchat. Snapchat are well known for its filter and the platform which have youngest audience among all. Okay, the mine favorite one is the LinkedIn, where you never get a bad data, means you get something that is useful and help in your growing life. If you start posting like meme and irrelevant thing, people start pointing it out. What the hell you are doing? Because on the LinkedIn, most of the people professional and they expect something valuable from you. So you can get absurd or unsocial or not fitted in the society. You can get the Facebook on the Instagram, even some absurd language on the Twitter, but it is quite rare. And I hope those who have account on the LinkedIn, so LinkedIn is my favorite. Okay, how many of you agree with my statement? Among all the social media platform, most intelligent, socially fit to the society, you can scroll with the family, kid, father, parents. How many of you agree? Only LinkedIn has that kind of content.
LinkedIn is a professional site source, so it's a very good site source.
That's why I'm telling you, most of the people professional there and they expecting a quality content and share something that is valuable to you society. Like you have a experience, any experience, professional experience, you can share. You can even share your personal experience, but it must be valuable to the society. Okay, so all are valuable, no doubt. Facebook have large audience, Instagram has large audience, so they are valuable for the marketing purpose, digital marketing purpose. But if you want to learn something, if you want to grow professionally, okay, then LinkedIn is for you. So we are moving further. This is the most diverse platform where you will find a audience of age 13 to 90s 80s. Facebook has a user from all demography. How, what do you understand by demography? MBA student, those who are pursuing in MBA, hope understand demography in a better way.
Location,
What do you understand by demography?
location and interest.
Rahman, I'm requesting you, please keep mute yourself and keep typing on the chat box. It will be easy for me. Age, gender, location. That's great. Who would like to extend it more? On the basis of demography. Okay. Age, location, gender, income, statistical study of human population. I'm not sure, but it seems. Okay, most of and psychology is another kind of thing. Mean that what you have pre-thought for any product or the services. Psychology, like I believe only in Android phone, and I feel like iPhone are shit. This is my psychology. Okay, psychology another thing. So you will get a very diverse audience. Means you can get a kid of 13-year age and a person who is 19 or the centenarian. Okay, one who has this existing profile on the Facebook. But what are the primary use for the business? Building a community, as I told you, like I am counselword.in. Okay, I created a page counselword.in and I am growing my community through the quotation, through the content generating, like one day 100, another day 300, 500, and it reached to the million. Okay, so building the community to engage user. But why we have ample of free time to create the community? No, we are creating community for the sake to drive the conversion. Because if there is 100 people in our community and I want to drive sales, so what we have to do? I am awareing about the channel, the purpose of channel through the post, graphics, okay, or through the regular interaction. The page counselword.in watch is actually brand building awareness. I am awareing those 100, 10, 100, okay, 1,000, lakhs, crore peoples about the brand. What actually brand is this and what purpose, for what purpose it is created? It is valuable to the society or not? After doing a lot of effort by creating the page, content, community, okay, information, after awareing about the brand, what actually you want? You want to drive a sale. Means a person, I speak every day, you will listen only when it seems. to useful to you or not? Everyone. Like I created a page there, okay, but I am not able to sell. I have to rethink or I have to recreate or rethink about the strategy. It is or not? You doing everything for the sake to drive the sales or generating the leads. It is or not? Why you are creating community? Why you have created a page? What is the purpose? You have ample of time to do such society work. Actually, you want to monetize your community. You want to sell your product through your community recommendation, or you want to sell the product community that you have created with a lot of effort. Okay. Twitter is quite opinionated because most of the people have their opinion or spread their opinion through the Twitter. Like PM Modi want to say something to the society, simply he tweet. Elon Musk is very eager to tweet about the Bitcoin, simply he tweet, and a huge decrease from the 45 lakh to 25 lakh. I don't know you guys are aware or not, and it is only possible by a micro blogging platform Twitter and a two-line tweet by Elon Musk. How many of you aware about this case? A one or two line tweet by the Elon Musk and Bitcoin face a great or the huge decrease in its. Okay, Rebecca is aware. Okay, this is the power of not social media platform, but it is a power of your brand that Elon Musk has created, because people believe not on Twitter, people believe on or believe in Elon Musk. What do you think? People believe in Twitter or believe in Elon Musk? Yes, Mishra, it is. That's why community on digital platform is important. Who help to who help to Elon Musk that whatever he is status is right? His community, because he has created its own brand. Like if Elon Musk say that sending a missile on Jupiter is possible, people believe that. They believe that it may take time 2 to 3 year or 5 year, but it will happen because Elon Musk has said, because he is a kind of scientist, or I believe he is a scientist. Okay, it is clear. So most of the audience or the average you can say believe to 18 to 35 means that they are like us. Okay, means a younger one, not like old. But don't think that Modi is more than 60 year, so he will not fit. It is the average. Okay, opinionated as I told you. Whatever opinion you have, tweet through the tweet, retweet you can do. All social media platform have the same purpose, like building a brand awareness, simply telling about who he is or who she is and what kind of product it is, listening and monitoring what your community think about you and how you are responding. The ultimate goal of doing all this, driving leads. Then you will think that how Elon Musk get benefited. Means Elon Musk has not get any monetary benefit, but drive he drives something. What means? His opinion has power to bring change in the society. It is or not? Every time getting the monetized benefit is not the answer of every question. Elon Musk tweeted for not the sake of getting money in his account. He simply realized that what kind of power he has. So you have to understand what is ultimate purpose of creating a community or creating an existence in the virtual world. Okay, so through the Twitter ads also very popular, but not in India. Twitter ad is very popular in North and South America, and there is a case study of the Twitter ad for the Dell. When Dell started its ad on the Twitter, there is a huge growth in its sale that's more than 40%. Most of the people you guys were not aware, but when you start study about the Twitter ads, you will came across it. Okay, but Twitter is not effective in India as effective Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. If anyone simply tell you on which platform you recommend to publish your ad, everyone first choice is the Facebook, another is Instagram. Only some people bother to switch on another platform. It is or not. If I give you a choice, go and spend 100 rupees on the social media marketing. Which platform you will choose? Everyone has a first choice Facebook. After that, if he's going to choose, then he will Instagram. It is or not. That's why Facebook always dominating social media platform among all. Okay. Now coming to the Instagram. Instagram is very popular for the reel after ban on the TikTok. Okay, and I think everyone when scroll Instagram switch to reel or not. Everyone, and I think everyone is well aware with that. Every platform is putting TikTok kind of feature in its platform, like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And I hope everyone is well aware. Even you can add or you can aware your audience through these short videos. If TikTok survive in India more 5 6 months, it starts showing ad you there, and it's create its own platform. When I started my digital marketing journey, digital TikTok has very popular in the Indian continent, but ads feature was not added. Okay, so Instagram currently work as a TikTok also along with the snaps over there. If we leave the Snapchat, the youngest audience on the Snapchat due to the creative filters or the very different filters, and most of the audience which are in the Instagram are younger. Okay, mobile only network means that it's work basic. Actually, it completely work on the app mode, not on the web mode. We do the same thing, build brand awareness. Like if you know any popular name whom you are following has like Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, everyone know through because he's a very stylish sports person across the world. Okay, visual appealing means he just put his goal kicks CR7 brand. He created his community through the popularity, his own popularity. After that, okay, everyone means currently Cristiano Ronaldo is a brand, self-made brand. Okay, he built his community. If you will go there, you will get that 20 more than 27 million. Means if he will do a post today, guaranteed it will be delivered at 27 million places. Okay, and he is getting most of the sale for the CR7. You guys are aware? It's the CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo 7, his own brand, and he gets sell without adding any other platform. You guys are aware or not? Great, Sagar. Those who are aware that CR7 never shows ad any other place except CR7 and his wife George Naggio. Only at you will get only at two places, and they are dominating or created community more than 30 or the 35 million people. If they post together, they have ability to dominate, or they have ability to aware about any product or the information. in a single click. As I told you and discussed discuss about LinkedIn, this is my favorite one. But for whom it is very useful? This is the question. Means if there is a very professional person, if there is a professional person, then you have to be. But there is a question. CEOs of the big companies prefer to post first on LinkedIn before posting on Facebook. Why? Anyone? If you will go through, or you if you have a LinkedIn account, just start observing those people who are professionally sounding people. First they post on LinkedIn before posting on the Facebook or Instagram. Why? Because of professional network? No, this is not about, means every account is no doubt professional account, but professional network is not the only reason. Only Mishra, Rahman, two people bother to answer. What are the reason? If it is boring, please let me know. I can finish too fast. Because this is the introductory part. Okay, in the next part, as I will start showing you how actually social media work. And if you want that, I can show it right now. But you will not aware with it. It is not about preference, because what they are telling, only those people are able to understand. The community they are created, like Microsoft simply said that ki I am going to launch Windows 11 with the which kind of strategy, market penetration, creative, what kind of marketing strategy, or what kind of strategic level decision they have made. Who will able to understand? Those who are professionally sounding, not people who are on the Facebook. No doubt some people able to understand those who are in the Facebook, but it is guaranteed the corporate level word or corporate level definition, only those person can understand who are working in the corporate world. Like I am telling you कि there is a three kind of strategy: corporate strategy, business level strategy, and functional level strategy. How many of you able to understand except MBA? I simply use three kind of strategy used to work. One is the corporate, another is the business, and third is the functional, divisional, anything. Except MBA or the MBA, how many of you able to understand what I want to communicate? Only some people able to understand, because you guys, whatever I am telling, you don't belong to that community. But in the same, though the person who is working at a strategy level, as I put, I am talking about corporate level strategy. He simply understand that Vishwanath is talking about the higher management like CEO, CFO, MD, ED. As I simply say, the business level like one who is the mid level. Okay, like RM, ZM. If I am telling the divisional, like one who is looking for the accounts division, another is the logistic division, you will able to understand or not? You will able if you have studied MBA or you are working in a corporate world. Okay, so this is important. The people like you are guys are student, you are talking about the selection of the college, IIT and JEE. Whom you are going to discuss? You will try to discuss with that person who is at least know about the process of IIT and understand the preferences of the IIT. Kanpur IIT, Mumbai IIT, Kharagpur, which one is best? If he understand the preference, then it is better for you. You know who will understand what you want to communicate. Okay. Professional network there. Effective lead generation channel and particular B2B companies. B2B. You guys are aware B2B and B2C. Business to consumer and business to business. Always keep in mind. Okay. If you want to interact, means I am an organization and I want to sell to the Rahman. Okay, I have to make connection and keep communicating with him. Okay, so if we have a good relation, by the time we can sell, if I have a product and he is my potential customer, so I can be in touch, and by the time we can go in the process of personal selling. Okay, so thank you. Any question? Anyone? I am requesting you all, please fill this form before leaving. We will discuss. We will take 5 more minutes. This session was a bit hurry. It may be okay because it was introductory part. In the next session, I will show you how actually Facebook work, how actually Google Ads work. If we will get the time more than a month, I will show you how SEO work. I am requesting you all. Okay, there is more than 31 people, and I want the response from all 31. Okay. And after filling this form, please type done.